Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from DiamondArtGift. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to DiamondArtGift. So let's do this one first. This one should be one of those ornaments. This one is $11.99. It looks like it's made of wood or wood-like material. So it comes with an ordinary toolkit here. There's pieces. Okay, there's pieces. Okay, those are stuck together. So somehow this gets put together. Probably this thing in the back here, like that. Yay, maybe. And then this here. Somehow, I'm thinking something is sticky. Okay, so I see there's a plastic covering over the back of this. So I got so excited about like how to put this together. I didn't show you what it is because that's how I roll. It's this candle here in like a snow globe looking container, I guess. It's a candle here, and I'm guessing this is sticky because it feels like there's some sort of plastic over here. Yeah, that's sticky. So on the back here is sticky. I'm guessing there is a plastic covering over this. Yes, there is. There's a plastic covering over this. So yeah, that's what I think it is you put this here, you stick it, you stick this here, and it gets stuck, and then that's what goes over here, over the base. All right, so some construction necessary. So this candle, well, the diameter of this is about a little bit more than 15 centimeters by 18 centimeters there. And the symbols look like the normal symbols that you see for these special drills. The mostly numbers. And did I say this is $11.99? I probably did. I don't remember in the morning. All right, so some special drills here. Some pinks, reds, orange, more pinks, some browns here, some lighter like yellows, and then some greens, and then some big red drills. So it looks like the only special shape is this big red drill. Okay. There is that one with all the extra pieces. And the next thing is some coasters. You might be seeing several coasters on my channel. I highly enjoyed my first set, and yeah, I'm just telling you, I highly enjoyed my first set, so I might be getting a good amount of coasters in the future, because, yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do with all of them. I'll probably just end up giving them away, but it's ordinary toolkit with some baggies. And this look like specials. These do come. There should be 8 of these, and these are $12.99. So this comes with this adhesive cork here that's supposed to go under the coasters so that it doesn't scratch, my guess. It comes with this lovely stand here, and these are owl coasters. So I'm going to move this to the side. Owl coasters here. So here's one owl here. Here's an owl with a top hat. That one's cute. Here's an owl with a sunflower. Aww. Here's an owl with sunglasses. Here's an owl with the flower on the head. Here's some more owls with the flowers. Here's an owl with look like maybe a Christmas hat. And another owl here with flowers. Yes, it's really cute. Yes, I know. Owls. You might notice I've done a couple owl diamond paintings. So it looks like all the symbols are numbers. So looks like these are all specials. So some clears, rhinestones here. I meant like more all rhinestones. There's only a little bit of that one. Some greens. That one's a really pretty blue. Some brown. This looks like regular black here. And oh, these ones are actually white domed ABs. I'm not sure if you could tell the AB coating on it. All right. So that's the last thing I'm unboxing for this. Oh wait, did I measure? Each coaster is about 9.5 centimeters. So yeah, just be on the lookout for way more coasters than you probably want to see. And so here is everything I unboxed for this video. I do anticipate having both of these done by the time this video gets posted, so I will see you later. Okay, I'm back and the owl coasters are done here. They are about a 9.5 centimeter diameter with 18 colors. One was a regular round drill, one was an AB, 16 were crystal rhinestones. And I wrote that some of the pictures were not completely centered, and this took me 3 hours and 28 minutes to complete over 3 days. So what did I mean by some of the stuff was not completely centered? So let's see. Well, this one, I see it. I don't know if you can tell. See, there's some clear plastic still over here, while over here the drills are pretty much flush to the edge. So that's what I meant by some of the pictures were not completely centered. And I think I noticed it because some of it I was like, am I going to be able to fit the outline around there? But it still looks good. So I did already seal all of these. So here's the first one. Here's this one. I like this one. It has the sunflower on the head. Top hat one. Here's one for Christmas. Here's this owl here. This one's holding a pink flower. This one is ready for summer with the sunglasses. And this one's just an owl. So yeah, they're cute. Some of them are a little bit better rendered than the others. Like I kind of feel like the Christmas ones look well. I think that one looks good. This one kind of gets hidden in the background, so it's too light, I think. Even though these don't seem to get hidden by the background, I think there's just too much light colors in that one to contrast with the white background. But it looks good. So these did come with some adhesive backings, which we'll put in at the end of the video because there's more stuff to show. All right, next thing. Is here. So the candles. So this one is, the candle is, each piece is about 15.5 centimeters by 18.5 centimeters with 14 colors, 13 crystal rhinestones, and 1 special. And this took me 1 hour and 28 minutes to complete. I did say I changed some of the drills for the candle. So I'm not sure if you could tell, but from this original image, the candle flame was barely a different color than the candle base. I did end up replacing it a little bit more so that it had a contrast from the candle. So it was much lighter originally. So that's the main thing. Everything else is as originally rendered. So here it is closer up here. So they are mirror images of each other because it is going to require some construction. So yeah, I think it turned out well. You could tell what everything is. The candle, I wish maybe had a little bit more definition. It's very washed out. I don't know if you realize, but there's actually 3 colors on the candle. And then a clear over here. I think I changed some of the stuff on here also. I don't remember anymore. I just kind of like I think I changed this here to be a lighter color. I don't know if you can tell. It's so that it contrasts more with the candle, but I think it still looks nice. So yeah, let's get on with some construction. So, well, is it that much construction? This one, I'm just going to put the base, the cork base on these, and then these will be done. So, came with these lovely cork circles. I did already seal these, and I sealed the candle also. Man, getting these things centered. I think it's like a one-shot. I don't know if you could re-peel these. But I do like that. Yeah, that's not centered. I do like that they came with the... They came with these little cork circles. My first set of coasters did not come with these little cork circles. So I think this is a plus. I just realized you're like a little bit off camera. And for whatever reason, I'm hovering to the left. And all right, so they're all nicely coastered. So let's move this to the side. Oh, they're with the little cork thing, they're not as slippery. So, which is good because you don't want your drink to slip, right? All right, this one is going to take a little bit more effort, I think. You know what I think why my camera is, because my arm is a little bit skewed to the right, so I'm like, I feel like I'm not in the center. So this thing came with stuff. Okay. I'm gonna sit down for this one. So I know this is supposed to go into here. Oh wait, maybe this way. Okay. So let's see. I know this part is sticky, and then I know this will go into here, and then the base will go in there. So let's hope I'm able to do all of this. So I know this has a sticker. Okay. Should I put this first or this first? Well, I guess I decided to put this first. Okay. Now this, I think, has plastic over it. It's very unclear, so I kind of like that this is being added afterwards. Okay, I'm pretty sure there is a plastic film over it. Am I wrong and it's this like ugly, cloudy? Okay. Plastic film. Is there only one side? I figure this is the part that's easiest to get because it's the corner. Okay. There is a plastic film. Yay. Okay, so there. Okay, let's hope everything lines up. Man, there was like no second chance there. That was like a put it in and hope for the best. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, now let's put in oh, I must have not sealed this well because I lost some drills here. You know, sometimes the sealing process in the edges is the hardest one. Like I got everything else and then I just must have not noticed that over there. So will it be easier for me to just put it on top of the other one or put the other one on top of this? Okay, peeling seems to be it's because I've painted my nails. Ever since I started doing that, it's been harder to do these peelings. Oh man, this is, and it's falling apart here too. Right. What was I gonna do? Go this way? Okay. I have remarkably put, I think, everything as straight as I could. So yeah, there it is, double-sided, stuck together here. And here's the base. There. So yeah, there's this candle done. I like it. I'm actually kind of happy with that. I'm happy with that. It's, might have to get another one. I saw a couple more designs of this wooden one with this clear plastic here. But yeah, here's my snow globe with the candle here. All right, so here is the finishes for this video. Let's put some of these here so that they fit on camera. So that's all I have for today. So thank you very much to DiamondArtGift for sending these items for review. And thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.